Hey, what's up guys? Here's a quick video to let you guys know about what happens exactly with an IEM microphone and some dongle DACs, because I have gotten a lot of questions about this in the past, and very recently Kailash has mentioned this in one of my reviews, I think about the Keyfine Delchi. So this one's for you, Kailash, and anybody who wants to know about this. I hope it does help you guys. Today I'm throwing in the DD HiFi high-res DAC and the IFI GoLink. These are like two of my kind of favorite DACs, if you can see them. I've got reviews on this, lovely little DACs these are, and this has a microphone pass-through, but this does not. So the other two IEMs I have are the Truthia Hola and the Keyfine Delchi. The Hola has a microphone and the Keyfine Delchi does not. So I'll show you the permutation combinations of what's going on, so you guys have a better understanding of what will happen if you don't have a microphone on your IEMs. So now I've plugged in the Hola into the DD HiFi, and the Hola has a mic, and I'm going to call Omkar, who's of course helping a lot with the channel these days. So let me see if I've connected with him. Yep, his phone's ringing. And the phone call has gotten through. So what I'll do now is I'll hit record call now. Okay. So all this time you have been on the camera microphone, but I'll let it switch over to the audio recording that the phone is doing right now. So I'll switch it over right about now. So what you can hear right now is what your recipient will hear. In that case, you are exactly the recipient. So you will hear what's coming through this little microphone on the Hola. Because this little dongle DAC here does have a pass-through, it is going through this and you'll be able to hear that. So this will work for your phone calls, for your gaming sessions, and all that sort of stuff. So what I'll do right now is switch over to the Keyfine Delchi, but what's going to happen is that it's going to drop the call, because once I disconnect this, it's going to think that I'm putting in a command to drop it. So I'll pull it out, and okay, hang on, the call is still going on. So I'm going to quickly swap this out and plug in the Keyfine Delchi into this microphone at all. So your signal is not going to go through at all, because there is no microphone, and the pass-through is looking for a microphone. So because of that, the chances are that you are not going to hear any sound coming through right now. So what I'm going to do now, since you've seen even with the Keyfine Delchi, there is no audio signal coming through, I'm going to unplug the DD HiFi DAC from my phone, and the call is still going on, of course. So what I'll do now is I'll plug into the IFi GoLink, which is right here, and I'll plug the IFi GoLink into my phone, and the Hola into the IFi GoLink. Now the IFi GoLink does not have a microphone pass through, of course. So usually what happens in this case is that, I mean, since every phone does have a microphone, that microphone is going to take over, because the dongle that has been plugged in is of course not sending a signal that you should look for a microphone. So right now, if you can hear me, it's most likely not from this mic, which I'm tapping. It's most likely from this mic that I'm tapping over here. So that's what's going to happen with the IFi GoLink. So the same thing will happen, of course, with the Keyfine Delchi. So this is something to keep in mind. Basically, if you are picking up a dongle DAC and you have a set of IEMs, if it has a pass-through like this, like the DD HiFi has a pass-through, and you have a set of IEMs that has a mic, great. If you have a set of IEMs that does not have a mic and you pick something like this up, chances are your recipient's not going to hear you at all. Whereas having the IFi GoLink will be beneficial in this case, because the microphone on your phone will take over. So it's not that you can't take calls at all. It's not that your buddies won't hear you while you're gaming. The internal microphone on your phone will take over. So that is the good news about this, and something to keep in mind, of course, before you decide to make any purchase decision. So anyway, that's a quick video from my side. I hope you guys have understood this a little bit better and you know what to go for now. And I hope that this has helped you understand the entire situation with the microphone and these dongle DACs. If you do have any more questions, feel free to throw them down in the comment section below, of course. And of course, thank you for tuning in for some sound advice. See you guys in the next one.